Alright, I'm going to do just some fun unboxing videos here. I am getting ready to build a second crypto mining rig, which is where all this stuff is coming from. But I figured why not, let's have some fun and just unbox all these pieces. And maybe some of these videos will be helpful if you're wanting to see kind of what some of these parts look like. So, in this video, we're going to be unboxing the MSI Ventus, maybe, I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, 2X, which I believe is just relating to the number of fans, GeForce RTX 3060 Ti. Here is the back of the box, dual fan design, all that good stuff, you know, marketing garble, whatever. It's a 3060 Ti. I believe this is, yeah, that's an overclock edition. So it's got some good cooling on it, and it should be unlocked if you were going to use this for gaming, for any kind of overclocking, things like that. Don't know yet how it's going to perform with crypto mining. That'll be a future video, but let's go ahead and unbox it. Interesting. There's no top panel on that, so that's just the empty box there. Throw that away. And then we've got a piece of protective foam on top. And then what I assume will be our very boring, wow, that whole, look at all that paper they had to use to give a little tiny quick user's guide booklet. Package contents. This is funny. Package contents, graphics card, and this booklet. You get no other cables, nothing extra on that front. And then there is the graphics card itself. Let's see. Pull it out. Nothing else there, just the foam box. Nope, just a box. There is the card in the packaging, sealed on the back. So we'll break that off, stick that down, and we will pull out the card. There it is. Little size perspective, big as my face. Got the two cooler fans on it. You've got on this side all your ports. So let's see, we've got a pop all these. Let me pull these off without chucking them across the room. So there you go. It looks like 3 display ports and 1 HDMI. The back of the card has a nice metal plate on it. Sorry, the camera's mirrored, so I just realized everything that you're seeing is reversed. Maybe I'll fix that. There you go. That is that. Actually. Okay. And yeah. Oh, it does have a protective cover on the PCIe slot, so that's nice. And this has one 8-pin power. That can be important depending on how many of these you're trying to run and what power plugs you have available from your power supply. So that's pretty much it. That is the MSI 3060 Ti. What was it? The Ventus 2X. So I know they make a 3X that has 3 fans on it. So again, to my knowledge, it's just the cooling. It's still a 3060 Ti at the end of the day. It's just what capabilities the card has in addition, what type of cooling it has. So thanks for watching this unboxing of this. If you have any questions about the card, feel free to post them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to respond. Thanks for watching.